Welcome to the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 truck is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the truck: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. You have our 4x4 dial, push button 4x4 dial for your driving modes: trailer mode, automatic headlights, fog lights, leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Digital gauge cluster with 9 kilometers on the truck, brand new. 13.4-inch large touchscreen using the Google operating system. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. Push button ignition. Gear selector now in the center with your integrated child braking system. We have the all black dash there with the Kalahari trim. Dual glove box, Bose audio, and our leather wrapped heated and ventilated Sierra AT4 seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry up front. We have the AT4 running boards with the textured material, AT4 on the door, 6.2 liter V8 plaque. Truck does have the 2-inch factory lift as well, making room for the big wheel and tire package. You do have the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, fog lights, AT4 branded grille with the black chrome. Red recovery hooks, parking sensors, as well as the AT4 grille there. Coming down the side, crew cab truck, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back, color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, trailer tow pack, and the GM MultiPro tailgate. Taking a quick look at the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split, both end seats car seat ready, as well as they are heated. We have the in-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with the LED lighting and a single pane sunroof, 3-stage heated seat controls, USB ports, rubberized floor liners and carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.